Hello and welcome guys. Today we are going to learn about the pointers available in the C++ language. So basically the pointer is a variable. It is also known as the locator or indicator that points to an address of the value. So there are some advantages of the pointer. First advantage is that pointer reduces the code and improves the performance. It is used to retrieving the string, trees, etc. and used with the arrays, structures and functions. The second advantage is that we can return multiple values from the function using pointer. And last advantage is that it makes you able to access any memory location in the computer's memory. Now, there are two usage of the pointer. One is the dynamic memory allocation and another is the arrays, functions and structures. In the dynamic memory allocation, we can dynamically allocate the memory using malloc and calloc function where the pointer is used. And in the arrays functions and structure, we can use to reduce the code and improve the performance. So now we will shift to the first program of the pointer. So int main int num is equal to, you can get any value like 40, then int, this is the declaration of pointer. P is equal to ampersand of num. So this is the, it is used to store the address of the number variable. Okay. So cout address of num variable is ampersand num handle. Another cout will print the address of p variable. And another cout a value of p variable. Okay. After running the code, we will check whether the output is coming as we expected or not. See, the address of num variable is so and so, which is, this can matters different on your machine. Okay, because each machine is having the different storage location address. So this is my PC output. So address of the num variable is that, and address of the p variable is also the same because of the pointer. Okay, pointer returns the address of the variable, and the value of the p variable is 40 has been pulled from the pointer variable. Okay, so this was the example for the pointer using C++. Now we will check for the another program, which is the swapping of two numbers using pointers. Okay, so for this, int a is equal to, let's say we will take 28 and b is equal to 91. Okay, similarly we need the pointer variables, so we will take the star p is equal to ampersand of a, comma, star P is equal to ampersand of B. So here is we will say the P1 and P2, that is pointer 1 and pointer 2. Okay, see out before swapping the value of A is equal to A and B is equal to B. Enter. Okay, so this will print the current value of A and B over here. Now the logic of the swapping number, that is star P1 is equal to star P1 plus star P2. Okay, we'll print for this two times because now here P2 is equal to P1 minus P2, and here P1 is equal to P1 minus P2 again. Okay, then later we'll copy the statement over here as it is. After swapping value of A is equal to A and value of B is equal to, and so here we will put the star P1 and star P2, return 0. Similarly, we can enter star P1 star P2. Okay, now we will run the program and see whether the value has been changed or not. See, before swapping the value of A is equal to 28 and B is equal to 91 as we have defined over here in the program, and when we apply the logic and check after the swapping the value of A is become 91 and B becomes the 28. Okay, so how this is works, so as per this logic we can say that P1 is equal to, it becomes P1 plus P2 means 28 plus 91. Okay, so 28 plus 91 how much? 8 plus 1 is 9 and 9 plus 2 is 11. Okay, now here P2 is equal to P1 minus P2. Now what is the value of P1 here? That is 119. Now 119 minus the value of P2. What is the value of P2? So P2 value is 91. So it becomes the 28. Okay. And here P1 is equal to P1 minus P2. Now what is the value of P1? That is 119. And what is the value of P2? That is 28. So P1 becomes 91 as usual as per the logic. So here the value of P1 and P2 gets changed, and that value has been reflected in the this cout statement. So we get the output as 91 for the A and 28 for the B. So that's it for today guys. Thank you. Bye bye.